Hi guys, Will here from WB Trading and welcome back. If you are new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the free content that I share with the trading community here on YouTube. So back on the DAX this morning, we are just a few minutes into the session so far, and the DAX strategy has actually just triggered our first entry via this candle here a few minutes ago, which told us to get short. But the risk reward with a stop above the high wasn't quite what I looked for myself, so I'm standing on the sidelines for the minute. Let me show you where the strategy has told us to place our target today, which is down here at this level. So as you can see, with the target down there and the stop up here above the high, that's roughly 1.8 R-ish. So those of you who do take those slightly lower risk reward trades will now be short the market. But again, I'm just waiting to see if I can get my hands on a slightly higher risk reward entry before I execute myself. Index wise, if we take a very quick look at the bigger picture via the D1 chart, we've just recently come off the 10.0825 highs, and it looks like we're backing off from the recent bull run slightly as of the past week or so. It does seem like we've seen the ultimate low to me, but as you all know, I don't predict. I certainly don't risk my money based on best guesses. So as far as actually executing on positions goes, I'm sticking with my strategies and trading with edge where I know I have it. Simple as that. Anyway, I've actually got to nip to the post office to grab a book before 9 AM when they stop allowing people to collect undelivered items. Knowing my luck, I'll leave and then I'll get my entry as soon as I step out the door, but we'll see what happens. I'm going to sit and observe price for an hour or so, and when it gets to just past 8, I'll get on my way, be as quick as I can, and we'll see what happens. Back with an update soon. Right, just back, and it's a minute past 8 AM. We're more or less halfway to target, off the highs that is. Still positive and in profit via the earlier lower risk reward entry that we were given, but we could realistically go either way from here. So as always, no guesses, no predictions. All we can do is trade with edge and let the probabilities play out. So still sat here waiting for my entry, looking increasingly unlikely that I'm actually going to get one, but we'll see. I'm just about to head to the post office in a second, which should take 30 or so minutes, and I'll be back with another update soon. And by the way, if you are enjoying the video today, it'd be really great if you take literally just a second, hit that thumbs up button for me. That would really help me, if that's okay with you. Right, just back. That took a little bit longer than I expected. I still haven't got my parcel either. Anyway, I won't bore you with the details. And as luck would have it, I was given my entry as I was out. Absolutely brilliant, sod's law. So that's missed, and I'm still sidelined at the moment. If we just get this mapped, this was our entry trigger candle here. Obviously, if you don't have the strategy rules, you won't have a clue why. But for those of you who do have the rules, you'll know this already. And if I just get this mapped, again, stop would be above the high, entry on the close of the trigger candle. And if we drill down to today's target, this offered a 5.9R opportunity, which is pretty spot on. So it doesn't look like I'm going to be very lucky here today, unfortunately, but I'm about to get some statistics updated in a second. I'll leave the market open on my side screen. We're fast headed to target now by the looks of things, but as always, anything can happen. We'll see where we end up. I might be able to get in, we'll see. So just a quick update. I placed an order for where I would have got short earlier whilst I was out, and I've just seen that that's being filled short, which is great. Currently up roughly £150 or so, as you can see, and headed into profits, which is great, but nowhere near target, so nothing to do here but sit on the hands at the moment and just stay patient. As I said earlier, just below 6R on the table here, and I'm about to turn off the computer for now, go and get some sunshine, some reading done in the courtyard, so I'll conclude this video when I come back upstairs in 2 or 3 hours, and we'll see where we are. It's either going to be a small losing day, which I'm absolutely fine with, or a larger winning day today. But one thing's for sure, I'm taking full advantage of the warm weather we have here in the north of England at the moment, because let me tell you, it's a rarity. So yeah, back soon. Right, just back, and it's now mid-afternoon. I've just popped back up to check in on this, and unfortunately I've been stopped out for -1R, which happens. No issue with taking just the one small loss via this market today, and that's a wrap for the live trade video. And I just want to emphasize this: losses, they happen to us all, whether you've been trading for 1 month, 1 year, 10 years, whether you're new, whether you're an old trader. None of us win every single day consistently. None of us win every single trade. And I think it's important for me to not only show you that by sharing today's losing trade with you, but to actually emphasize that as well. The bottom line is, as long as you're trading statistically proven strategies that provide edge, and as long as you're managing risk and making sure that wins outsize losses, you're going to win in the long term. Think about it this way. If we had got to target today for, what was it, about 5.9R, that would have meant I could have then lost my next 5 trades in a row, been down -5R, and still been profitable with 0.9R remaining. That right there is edge in a nutshell. As long as wins outsized losses in line with your strategy's win rate, of course, you're always going to come out ahead long term. So let that be the point of this video today. Anyway, I hope that helps. I hope that's triggered some inspiration. I'll leave it there for today, but as always, trade with edge, with consistency, and I look forward to having you back here on the channel soon. Thanks everyone.